The recent image of the Sombrero galaxy taken by the James Webb Space Telescope demonstrates how powerful telescopes contribute to our understanding of the cosmos. The Sombrero galaxy was discovered in 1781 by a French astronomer who gave its name due to its appearance when observed with the telescopes of the time. Its almost edge-on orientation makes it resemble a hat, or a sombrero in Spanish, something like this one, where the disk is the hat brim, the bulge of nebulosity in the top is the crown, and the dark region in the edge is the brim binding. However, the sombrero-like shape of this galaxy changes when observed with much more powerful telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope. The crown now shows a bright core and extends almost to the edge of the disk. The dust lanes at the edge are now clear and seem to extend towards the inner region and intertwine with the gas in the disk. X-ray observations taken with XMM, Newton, and Chandra show a radically different picture. The difference, however, is not surprising, as the X-rays trace very different type of gas and dynamics. The most striking differences arise from the observations of the infrared. In 2005, the infrared observations taken with the Spitzer Space Telescope show a different form for the Sombrero galaxy. In this infrared image, we see a thin disk surrounding the active galactic nuclei, or AGN, in the center, followed by a gap and a smooth outer ring, more like a bull's-eye board than a hat. The halo stars make a crown much dimmer than in the visible light, and the halo also doesn't extend as far. Now, if we put together the visible and infrared light observations, we see how the visible disk fills this infrared gap and also the internal disk. The JWST observations show a picture similar to a Spitzer but with incredible detail. The observations in the mid-infrared taken with the instrument MIRI show now a clumpy outer ring of carbon-containing molecules. These are called paths and are usually associated with star formation, which in the Sombrero occurs only at half the rate that in the Milky Way. With JWST, we also have a better view of the bright AGN. We can see the compact center of the AGN, a supermassive black hole of 1 billion masses surrounded by a bright disk. In between the center and the outer ring, we can also see the dim disk observed by Spitzer. In this case, the bulge or the stellar halo that contributes to the crown of the sombrero seems less extended and dimmer than the Spitzer images. These observations and those obtained with telescopes observing different types of light will add to the puzzle pieces. Eventually, we will have a complete picture of what is happening in the Sombrero galaxy. If you liked the information in this channel, please remember to subscribe. Also, follow me on my website.